Hello guys, it's me Sheikh Nihan. Children, I'm preparing swine flu. Today I'm going to hunt a beanut. The white sea skin look like error 5. So if you want to test it, you can test it, guys. Hi guys, if you can test. So guys, look, see, he's telling hi guys. They're marking guys. Yeah, he's telling hi. Yeah. Does not look like he's telling hi. So we are going to testing a meat car. Meat car bean at the white. Can I start? Okay, let's start. Okay. Let's start. Okay. So this guy is pretty little bit. Wait a minute. In while this guy, hey Telman Ginger, what the heck is wrong with you? Nothing. Brass. But I saw you change your skin for a moment. I'm just looking back and I skip silence. When I start means you just change the skin. Tell me guys, you just rewind into 0.25 seconds. You just change the skin, yeah? Okay, let's start. That guy is stupid, whatever. Wait. What the heck I just saw right now? Hi, what's up? Are you? What happened? Why are you? Just a while. I'm gonna do Beneath the White meat. So, listen guys, the server name is Beneath the White. Capital B. Yeah. Let's make a portal. Okay guys, so let's use him. Okay. Let's do here like this. Let's keep 300. Yep. I had to don't forget a number. Boom. Like this. Boom.
Elephant.
I make the portal. So if you draw this book and quill, however, you have to take a book. Yeah. Then take a text and type this. Benet. Maybe. Yeah. Then you have to change the text into FF0 and keep little bit like this, and if it does not fit means you have to do another thing. Just change the font, font size into very small, and boom. I'm not talking about microscope. Half small, dude, so gross. Yeah. After that, you have to type beneath the void. Beneath the void. Then remove and throw a book and quill. German King is just left. Then equip this. Then something here happens. Yes, it worked. Bruh. What if I go to this portal? Something gonna happen or something gonna bad happen? Let's take a beneath means down maybe. Yeah. Huh. Before I tell you guys, yeah, this ambient color is FF. Yeah. Then, okay. Let's see. Something gonna bad will happen. What the? Yo, did you just saw that, guys? He just... Where the heck? Dude, I saw Nemo. Wait, why is there a skin color? Wait a minute, hold on a second. I saw something in the far distance. Yeah. Okay, let's see. One King, yes, you're so weird. So stupid. Okay, let me see. I don't tell. Let's see what he'll do. Brush. Okay, whatever. Can you go? Dude, go to the portal. Why are not you going? You go portal. Oh, he's telling okay. Whoa. I am not looking my screen. Dude, why I'm not moving? Dude, my screen is shaking. Dude, what the heck is wrong with my screen? Dude, are you serious? Stupid. I just waited for a movie.